typical jazz ending that we can mess around with. So for this one, we're basically just going to land on a root chord, but instead of playing the root major 7 chord, we are going to play something a little bit less resolved sounding, and that is going to be the root diminished major 7, okay? So in C, that's C, E flat, G flat, and major 7, the B right there, right? At its most simple form. And then we resolve to C major 7. Now the voicing I did, which sounded a little bit more interesting, was C, G, D, E flat, G flat, A, and D. But actually what you should do is also throw in the B in there. Okay? Throw the B in there too. And then resolve to C major. So let's put that in context. Let's do a 2-5-1 to the end of the made-up song we're using here. Cool, guys. So you can apply that to other keys. Land instead of on the normal root major 7 on the root diminished major 7 chord, right? So basically a major 7 over diminished triad, and give that unresolved sound, and then give everybody what they were waiting for and land on the original major 7 chord in this case. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out jazzpianoconcepts.com. We're going to have an awesome amount of consistent and really fun information going up there. With lots of new stuff coming out. So be sure to check it out, and email us, jazzpianoconcepts@gmail.com, if you have any questions or want to get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Good luck with this stuff, and keep enjoying playing the piano. See you guys at the next video.